Alright, so today I'm going to be installing this PlayStation WD Black 2TB drive into my second PlayStation 5 that I purchased. I picked this console up for my daughters to be able to play a little bit of PlayStation so that they don't actually take over my PlayStation. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put the M.2 drive in. One of the things you'll need is a #1 screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. So I have that here. And so first I'm going to turn the console over. And then I still have the stand on here, so I'm going to pop that off. And then, so my understanding, I'm supposed to lift up in this corner and okay, yep, so you just slide it over and you got it off. So I kind of lifted and slid to my to the left here, and then this is the section where the M.2 drive is going to be located. So I'm going to take my screwdriver here and remove the cover. And then there's another screw in there, I believe, that I'll need to remove to secure the M.2 drive in place. I've already done this once before. My other PlayStation actually has the M.2 drive in it as well. Okay, now that I have it open and exposed, I'm going to go ahead and open this M.2 drive. This drive has a 5-year warranty, 7,000 megabyte read speed. Got it out. There's paperwork there. Alright, so there's the drive itself. And the drive must have a heat sink on it, which you see here. Okay. So I'm going to take the M.2 drive and I'm going to see where it lines up. Okay, so it looks like it's going to go into this opening here. So I'm going to put the spacer here. And then we'll go ahead and slide the drive in. Okay. Alright, so we get it in and then push it down. Yeah, move the spacer back.
What is it?
No, I'm just putting this.
I thought you said something.
And then we'll go ahead and replace the inner screw. Okay, and then we're going to put on the top cover. Alright, and then we'll put back on the base here. And it should just snap into place just like that. And we've now updated the PlayStation 5 with a M.2 drive. So now we'll plug it into the to the monitor and let it do its thing to update. So it should do that automatically. But now I have an extra 2 terabytes of storage on this PlayStation as I do with this one here. This one I have in the horizontal position and that one in the vertical, so I know which one is which, because sometimes I move them around the house. But anyways, just a simple video installing the M.2 drive on the PlayStation 5. So I'm going to go ahead and power this thing up and let it do its thing as far as updating the software. Alright, so what you hear in the background is my ice cream maker making ice cream. But here you see it says to use your M.2 SSD, you need to format it. When you format your M.2 SSD, all data on it will be deleted. If you want to continue using your PS5 without formatting your M.2 SSD, turn off your PS5 and remove it. Note that saved data, screenshots, and video clips can't be saved to M.2 or M.2 SSD storage. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hit press the PlayStation button. Alright. So I want to format it. I'm going to do that. You'll see how long it takes. Okay, read speed 6546. And this is the official Western Digital drive. So hit OK. Your M.2 SSD has been formatted. To change where your games are installed, go to Settings, Storage, Installation Location to safely remove your M.2 SSD, and then turn off your PlayStation first. Let's see. Okay. All right. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go into the settings and go into storage. We're going to go to installation location, and I'm going to change this to M.2 drive, and for this I'm going to put it on the M.2 drive, and then that's it. Alright, so now I can actually add extra games to this console, so when my daughters are actually asleep, I can actually have room to put some of the games that I may want to play on here. Right now I just got them the Ratchet and Clank, this Brawlhalla they like to play, they like these little fighting games, and yeah, so just in time for the holidays, the girls have their PlayStation 5 to play. Alright guys, thanks for taking time to watch the video. See you in my next one. This is the chocolate ice cream I'm making.